You may need an option to remove your background from the photo for many reasons. For example, you may be making a YouTube thumbnail, or you're making a presentation, a PDF, anything. Of course, the easiest way is to use a Canva Pro version. I use it personally for 2 years now, and this is the best option. But you need to pay for Canva Pro about $120 per year to have access to one of the features, which is background removal and transparent background exporting as a PDF or any other type. So I will show you a couple of options how you can remove background for free. They might be slightly different with the quality, but this is the option which you have for now to remove your background and paying nothing for this. So the first option we have as the website remove.bg. Upload the image. I can press the button here and I have my image, my portrait here, so we can open it and it will magically do something. You see, this is removing my background. Here you can download the smallest version for free, and if you want to download an HD version, you need to be signed up. And now I just signed up and I can press the download HD and I have 1 credit for it. Get credits. What does it even mean? Oh, okay. And here it suggests you to pay for this, but that's why we will not press this option. We will just download this version and we see this is my photo. And this is the version the remove.bg made for us. If I will zoom in this photo, you can see the hair awful, the background is okay, but the edges are pixelated. I don't even like it. No. This is not the option. But if you want to make it just for fun, it's okay. The second option I want to show you here is the Adobe Express. You can get the Adobe Express for free or start a 30-day trial. We want to get it for free. Again, I need to sign in. I will choose the Google account. Okay, here we go. This is a main workspace with Adobe Express, and I need to search for background removal here, and we can see this on the main page. Remove background. Let's click on it, and I will need to drop here my file again. Okay, oh, actually, this is great. Wow, this is really great. The edges are smooth, and actually, it looks a lot like Canva Pro version, to be honest, but for Canva Pro, you need to pay. And here you just need to drag and drop your file. And this is actually really great, guys. Wow, I'm shocked. Let's see, I can download it and I will show how to use it on Canva. Let me show you again the difference between these things. This is my image. This is the remove.bg. It's not 100% bad, but it's bad actually. Let's make a comparison here. I will open it side by side and wow. Here we can see that with hair, it's not 100% perfect because it has a background inside my hair, but hair are difficult to cut. I know that. So let's go to Canva and I will show you how to use it in your designs, for example. All I need to do is to go to my folder. I will drag it to Canva and it will show up in the upload section. So this is my free Canva account for showing you the opportunities. I will click to uploads and drag file here. And for example, I can drag the corners and boom! You can actually use this feature with Adobe Express Design. You don't need to be a pro Canva account to do this. And that's how you can quickly and easily remove background from the images. And if you're just starting, these options are great for you because they are free. I will link all the tools I used in this video in the description below. But if you want to try out how Canva Pro feature looks like, let me know in the comment section below and I will be happy to show this option for you. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. This will support my content creation here and I'm happy to help you. See you in the next video. Bye.